बांट ले। आइए बहार को हम बांट ले, जिंदगी के प्यार को मिलके रोए मिलके मुस्कुराए हम, अपनी जीत हार को हम।
As we know, on the Nurses' Day, the founder of nursing, Miss Florence Nightingale, was born in Italy on 12th May 1820. She founded modern nursing and had set an example of loyalty for the coming generations.
Florence Nightingale was born on 12 May 1820 in Florence, Italy, during her English parents' term there. She was named for the city in which she was born, that's Florence. The family was wealthy and well educated, with high social standing and influential friends, all of which would be useful to Nightingale later. She learned Greek, Latin, French, German, and the Italian, and studied history, philosophy, science, music, art, and the classical literature.
The theme for 2023 resource is Our Nurses, Our Future. Our Nurses, Our Future will be a global campaign which sets out what we want for nurses and by nurses in the future in order to address the global health challenge and improve global health for all. We need to learn from the lessons of pandemic and translate these into actions of the future.
Going nokta ko intizar masın başka. It's just scientifically cut current. The tiny particles have more force of cohesion than the big bodies. You know?
Danger of their food getting contaminated because of their hands and they getting infected. Where they could not change their gowns for hours together. And it was because of this commitment which we showed even at SKIMS that we are seeing that COVID has left us, inshallah. Nurses have always played a great role in providing safe, affordable, accessible and responsive health care. Now, today's theme, Our Nurses, Our Future. What does future demand from us? Future demands stronger, more diversified nursing. You need to specialize as the doctors have done. Pediatric.
I would be on night duty and see some sick patients and write a morning note. So there will be many things which would be missed. Once I would open the nurses' notes. So many things would be added, which the notes which I had already seen, and many things were pending. Those things we would get from the nurses' notes. So there is a lot of responsibility.
More famed names who enjoyed positions, be it the Alexanders of that time or be it the Wolses of that time. Today, you know Florence Nightingale or Mother Teresa much more than you would know those people who enjoyed authority in terms of their position in those years. You don't remember the pharaohs of Egypt today. I mean, you can have a passing reference to them, but you remember